I am asking you, I'm not
Yes.
pointing fingers at you.
Yes, yes, Your
Gusto
Honor.
namin ito malaman because this is in aid of legislation, ang investigasyon na ito. Hanapan namin ang paraan kung paano maiwasan itong mga ganitong pangyayari. Kahit na blacklist na, nakakabalik pa rin. Anong administrative proceedings na ginagawa nyo dito?
Well, Your Honor, blacklisting is a process that is under Republic Act 9184, if I am not mistaken. And the blacklisting process, if you blacklist a contractor, he is blacklisted for 1 year. After 1 year lang po yung pendency of the blacklist, Your Honor, according to the law. Now, after the 1 year, then tapos na ho yung blacklisting na, he can go back to...
Automatic nakakabalik sila
Yes,
after
Your
1 year na blacklisting.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what if the cause of their blacklisting was not satisfied? Halimbawa, talagang below standard, substandard talagang ginawa nila. After 1 year, kahit na wala silang ginawa, by operation of law, nalilift yung kanilang blacklisting. So kayo sa DPWH, okay lang kayo na, okay, kumuha na naman kayo ng kontrata dahil according to the law, well, sundin natin ang batas, di ba?
Yes,
Pero it is incumbent on your part,
Yes,
being
sir.
the implementer of all these government projects na, uy, tika muna, kahit na nalip na sa batas yan, hindi natin pwedeng bigyan uli yan dahil record o, nakailang suspension na yan. Ang daming project yung ginawa dito na hindi satisfactory yung resulta. Oh, huwag na nating awardan yan. Blacklisted na ngayon eh. Porque nalip na yun, bigay na naman tayo uli sa kanila. Ano bang inyong pulisiya dito?
Your Honor, I think there's two different things actually. The blacklisting is based on records actually. But yung substandard, Your Honor, if there is anything that is substandard, there is a warranty period that the contractor has to undertake actually yung repairs.
Kaya nga, these are two different things.
Yes, Your
pero ang itong paggawa na ng substandard na projects ay nagresulta sa pag-blacklisting sa kanila, di ba?
Yes, sir.
O na-blacklist sila dahil hausyaw yung ginawa nila. O kaya may kalukuhan yung ginawa nila. Ngayon, wala silang ginawa para maayos yung kalukuhan na ginawa nila porque nalip na after 1 year, kayo naman sa DPWH, pag mag-bidding, okay, panalo. Most eligible, unqualified bidder, Diskaya. Sabi ng BAC, approve. Winner ang Diskaya. Despite the records na nagsasabi na marami silang ginawang problema, kaya sila na blacklist. Please.
Well, this is probably what the law, Your Honor. I think this is the provision of the law. Actually, that blacklisting is only for a 1 year period. Nothing more, nothing less, Your Honor. So, after the 1 year pendency of the blacklisting period, then the contractor can go back and participate, Your Honor.